Welcome back to my channel. Continuing bringing down the decor from the front of Merrill Middle and Elementary School to save for historical purposes. Video 23. So you got the other two from the other side from yesterday. Sorry about that. I don't know if they're getting all these pieces or what. Probably just around both working on both sides. Eventually they'll get the other ones and get them out. There's another one inside there helping them get that. See legs? Another worker's helping them get it. This is gonna be a historical situation. And these are brought down. You always have to get certain sides in order to get to that artifact. I'm sure they've been doing this for quite a while. They know what they're doing. They got those things on the sides, and all four of them are sitting down there. That came from that both sides of the artifact. These are also being saved. Trying to carefully get it out. Both things on the sides are down on the bottom where I showed you. Down on the ground. The boss had a switch with a worker. Alright, just to get the job done. Boss is on the left side. We'll be right back. We're gonna take on New York. We're gonna take a walk around the block, around the central, and see, Kentucky, and see what's going on over here. They dropped something off. I don't know what it is, but he dropped something off. Trying to figure out how to get that down. Is it already down? Let's see what's going on back over here because something was dropped off. So let's go check it out. Something was being dropped off today. Probably grinding up the other stuff. I'm not sure. They're going through stuff over here, so I'm just going through stuff in the back while they're waiting on the building, the rest of it to come down. Things are in pause mode for demoing because they're waiting for pieces to come off the building before they even do any more building. Because they already, as soon as they get done with that part, white part, that was the hallway, and below that was also the hallway. So as soon as they get done with that and get to the back of it, that's when they're gonna knock the rest of it down. I like to see it down before snow starts flying. I'm just picking stuff up right now. I'm gonna go around the block. I'm around Kentucky right now. And they're just picking up debris and stuff like that and so on. All the bricks. All the bricks. The bricks will be handed out in May, but I'm sure there's plenty of places they can take them to and hand them out there where it's not so cold. That right there is a grinder. The orange parts right there, that's a grinder. So hopefully they're just grinding down the concrete and not the bricks, because we need the bricks. People used to go here to the school. That was dropped off, I believe, today. So, oh yeah. Zippers. I had to take off one of my posted notes of my information on it in case somebody that doesn't have it, my YouTube channel, can have it. I'm going to see how much it costs for 1,000 business cards to be done with my information from my YouTube channel, and then go from there. That way others can see it and I can hand out those instead of posted notes, which I have been since Webster Stanley. And when Golden Corral came down, I was there doing that too. Holy cow. Grinder. Could be wrong though. Alright, we're going around the block. That's the school that took over the other athletic field, Val Phillips Middle School. That's the one that took over the other athletic field, and then try to get a track and field over here for the kids, just to switch it all around, kind of thing. Coming up to Custard, you're going to go to Central, and then back on to New York. You can do that with a vehicle, walking, but you can't do that with a vehicle because this Kentucky road is one way. So they switched the one ways around once school opened. The school opened and they changed their one-ways streets because they go the other direction. So you come this way on this way and the other way on Central. They just switch those two around as soon as Val Phillips opened. Before they opened, they switched those two directions going the other way. So you're on Custard. Custard. Oh, yada. Good walk. Good exercise for the day. That light has been on every dang day ever since all the times we come through here. It's always been on. Why? I do not know why they don't turn it off. That's not my place to worry about. I don't live there. Trying to find a nice house next year with a porch on it, because I like to sit back and enjoy the scenery and changing of the seasons and stuff like that and so on. We're on Coast Central. Hey, Husky. You're all well behaved, aren't you? You're well behaved, Mr. Husky. Husky. You're adorable. Let me get you on video. Isn't that the cutest husky you ever seen? That's a cute husky. Have a good day, mister. I think you're a boy. You're adorable. You're a cute dog. So well behaved sitting on that bench there. Man, that's very nice. It's one of my favorite breeds of dogs is huskies. Husky. I like huskies. I like German shepherds. I like Yorkies, because my sister used to have a Yorkie before he passed. They had to put him down because he was going blind and deaf, and he was in the bathroom in the house, and they had to put him down. But yeah, it's sad. He was a good dog. Every time you would sing hallelujah, he'd be right there howling with you. So cute. This came down yesterday. All the wall came down. Before we even got done doing what we had to do, this whole wall came down. I like how some of the bricks are all still intact, and there's other ones down below that are not intact. I think they're cleaning up right now before anything else is done. So notice how those bricks are still intact on the back of the wall. That is crazy, dude. How they're still intact. Central Street. The school boarded Central, New York, and Kentucky. See, look at that. Look how they're stuck there. They did a good job building this place. I can even tell because the concrete and the bricks are working together. That's crazy. Pretty cool, interesting to know that. Yeah, they're going through all the stuff, the debris and stuff like that, before they bring down the rest of the school. But they're taking care of the decor on the front of the building, maybe around it. I'm not sure how much they're taking off. But they are saving the big pieces, which is going to be awesome to see when they bring it down. So right now they're not doing nothing until they have brought down what they need for historical purposes. So that's interesting. Very. Oh yeah. Yeah, get on stuff before a track is done. Walking over this water. Yeah, Milwaukee Plumbing. And things done before they ever build the track. Yeah, I know where things stand. I've seen in the comments on Facebook, I've seen people saying sad, but it is sad. And like I said in the previous videos, the memories that live on in video, they live on in they live on in your heart, in your mind, and in pictures. But you live, when you live things, live through things, you've been there. You either went to the school, or you taught at the school, or if you did both. Put your memories in the comments. I love to read them. Don't hesitate. I love to read the comments. I really do. Very much so. Love to read the comments. That one's coming down as well. Right there, that M. That architecture stuff right there, that's coming down over the door. That's coming down above that one. If I could take those pieces up there too, as well as the other M on the other side of that guy. Oh yeah, now I'm around West New York Ave. Did a total walk around. Not doing much until it's done. Probably wanting those pieces there too, that are on the top, in the middle. I think they want those pieces as well. Parts of it, architecture and stuff like that. They chisel around it to get down. So these are also being saved. There's 3 of them on top. They're going to save. They're going to save quite a few concrete decorations from there. So. And they're getting rid of the concrete slabs out of the way in case something falls, it just lands in the mud. It's moving the pieces of brick, concrete more or less out of the way. So if that piece right there falls, it's not going to land on that piece of concrete and break. And it's just laying in the mud. I love that. Love the hallway. That was one of the hallways. I thought you would like to see that. In the hallway. If you want to see the walkthrough, go ahead and scroll through my videos. You'll see the walkthrough. There's Washington and there's also Merrill, both sides in one day. And I also got Webster on there too before that Webster came down. They're dedicated to get that out. Just like these two, dedicated to get this out. They're trying to get this one wiggled out. Trying to wiggle it out, work on it, behind it, just to get it down. It's crazy. Well, everything is saved, so it's a good thing to save these historical artifacts, just like the ones on the side. They got it. It went down. They just have to carefully put it in the that lift, bring it down. Woo, that's cool. Look, there's a guy on the other side that was working to get it loose. So that's one down, 1M down, 3 more to go. These guys over here are procrastinating with the dang lift. I hope these guys over here go over there and get that one out too. Nice. He went backwards carefully, which is cool as hell. To get that M out of there, it was sitting there since 1901. Holy cow! I'm guessing it was sitting there since 1901. Yes, there's somebody behind there that was trying to work it, and they did it, and now they got one down. I just had to put it in the lift and bring it down and put it on the pallet. And then work the other ones out. I'm just shaking my head with the other two on the other side. These guys did the job and they got that one out. That is cool as heck. I just have to bring it down. I'll get a video and picture of it, and then I'll be gone from here. Come back, check on it, the progress and stuff like that. One down, 3 more to go. They brought it backwards instead of forwards, which is a smart thing to do. And I'm just waiting for it to get put in there and come down. Thank you for joining me. We're going to wrap this up and we'll be back to check on it. It is right now sitting backwards up above where it was sitting for quite a while. I'm sure they're going to bring it down, but we'll get that when we get back. Until then, have a good day.